So you might be able to hear the church bells in the background, might let you know that it's Sunday here at the garage. And as you can tell, the garage is empty. Now I say that, Kagan's bike's sitting over its parts. He's always gonna be working on that thing. Truck's done, it's out of the garage. I got a minor few little things I'm gonna do to it as times go on, but I'm driving it. So we need another project. And so we're gonna work on the big red truck, but before we do that, we're building
wheelbarrow hot rods.
Wheelbarrow hot rods. So in order to do that, we've got a trailer full of parts out there, and we're going to show you what we got. So what we have here is we have 4 old riding lawnmowers, and we're going to take them off and take them in the garage and start jerking parts off of them and keeping what we want and getting rid of what we don't. And whose is that yellow one?
Oh, mine. It's
good old, that's yours?
Good old Cub Cadet Murray Bolins.
Bolins. What's wrong with all of them? We really don't know for sure. We know one of them's got a locked up rear end. Like the mower deck was garbage on one of them. We got them for free. So go out and get yourself a free lawnmower and follow along. So let's get these off, get a couple of them in the garage.
Yep.
All right, so right now we've got a lot of stuff going on. I've been scrapping today and it's about ready to storm here. Cleaning up our mess. We've got stuff piled over here. There's one of the lawnmower frames. We got one bad rear end and one bad motor, so that's why we're only going to build 3, but we're taking parts off the 4 motors, because 4 mowers. So over here, we're about ready to pull the body off that one. It's going to look like that one. We're starting to pull stuff off that one, and got steering wheels, and boy, it is starting to storm. The wind's kicking up.
Oh, yeah.
But the point is, yeah, my helper. He's busy. Leave that door alone.
Oh, but the rain.
Yeah, I know. It's not going to rain in here yet. So anyways, stage 1 of this whole deal is taking the lawnmowers apart. And so to give you an idea what we're doing is we're going to take the lawnmowers apart. I'm going to build lower spindles, drop the rear ends, align the belts, that kind of thing. So what we're going to do is get them down to the frame. And then once the frames are flat like this one, I'm going to bring the rear end up in the frame. I'm going to make drop spindles on the front, and then we'll fasten a wheelbarrow body to it and cut the front end out and roll it up as a dash, and basically, and we're going to leave the open motors on the front so it'll look like a little T-bucket. So now that's what I'm doing with these ones. There's a lot of versions of wheelbarrow hot rods out there. You can look them up. Now it's starting to rain in here. Now you can close the door if you want to. It's blowing sideways. So, but yes, find yourself some old lawnmowers and some old wheelbarrows, and you can start building them with us. If you're around here local, we're going to take these to the Beaver Octoberfest, and they're going to have a car show there. They always do. And we're going to take these down there and put them around the car show. They're not going to be in the car show. They're not going to win any awards or nothing, but it'll be kind of cool having these to tool around on. And if we get enough people to build these other than us, maybe we'll judge our own little car show of modified lawnmowers. They don't necessarily have to have a wheelbarrow on them, but yeah. So that's what's happening here. Stage 1 is teardown. So when we go to modifying stuff, I'll film that too. I got to get him to work. We'll see you guys later.